Friends, let me explain you here how to use online compiler. This is a site where you can execute the programs. There are many sites actually available. One of that is online gdb.com. You can sign up here by clicking this. You can even sign with the help of a Google or you can use sign in with Facebook or like that. Once you sign up, then you can log in and you can save all the projects here. Without even that, you can do this. See, let's suppose here you can select the languages. You can select the C language here. You'll get this default code and you can start running it. It starts executing C here. Even you can write some code here like int a equal to some 123 and even you can display that hello world a equal to %d comma a. When you execute this, it displays the 123 value. The same code can be executed with the help of Java. I can select in Java here. Default code will be generated for this Java. I hope it's slow, just a moment. Yeah. Once you execute the program and you can even download the code and you can save the code here. Okay. Now, when I even select the C language, the code will be modified here. If you select this Java, then the Java code will be selected. This is a way how this will be generating. See, this is a way how to write the Java code. Even you can execute run the values or do something here, whatever you want, and you can say run, and it starts executing. Hope you understood. And even if you want to download this, let's suppose welcome programming. Well, okay, let me select this C so that many people will understand very easily. It is still loading actually. The internet speed is good. Then even you can access. You can change the language at any moment. Let me just write the code here. Hello, welcome to programming world. Then you can say click on run. Then it starts displaying the message. It's a C code. Even you can do the same with the help of Java. Once you execute this, you can download that and say as save as leave, and that means it says that do you want to save it. You can download that as welcome message.c. It already says as C, so source file. I can say save it. It downloads. You can open this my PC downloads. In that it's there. And click on this notepad++. You can see this is a code. So in this way, you can execute the programs, you can download the code that what you have executed, and you can save for the later use. Okay. This is regarding online GDB. Thank you.